that little hook here, I can cut. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little bit off with the nail clipper. And you can't see, it's okay, the nail grinder. And I'm gonna hold the foot lightly, but I'm just gonna kind of hold the toe so that it's kind of firm. And I'm gonna keep this finger here just to kind of keep me steady. Whoop. And you kind of peel it like a potato. As you can see, this nail was not clipped before I started grinding. Okay. And every time they pull, if they keep pulling like this, just kind of go with it and bring it back. I'm not forcing him to bring it back, but I'm bringing it back. Can you go closer to it? It's okay, bud. It's okay. Good boy. So this one, it's easy because you can see the difference. Okay. Come here. Here. Want a cookie? Cookies are life. Use them to your advantage. Treats. Go. Shishy. Also, try your best to praise them as much as you can. Make sure they know that you think they're a good boy and you love them. You'll be a good boy for camera. Yeah. And then I'm just going to go where he wants me to bring his foot. It's okay. And you just get the edges off. So same thing with this one. If you want to cut it first, you can. You can feel, I know you're not used to me doing this. It's okay. You can see it right here where it kind of dips in. You can almost feel your nail through it. Kind of hooking in. Okay, Zendrik, you're fine. It's okay. And you can just cut that off. He's never like this. Enough. No, it's because we're home. What? Yes, I know. Find your comfort spot. Yep. No, I don't want to. All right, that's the way it is. Cedric, what are you doing? You gonna lay down? Oh, good boy. He's sitting down. Thank you. Okay, Mommy, sit with you. No. What are you doing? Go. Good boy. Huh? That's good boy. You want to see? Okay, you watch. You watch. It's because, I think it's because you're standing there. But this is good. It shows people what we can expect when you're getting the dogs done at home. Good boy. And if that doesn't work, then you can go with the handheld file. This one's used, but I'm sure you can get them at the home hardware stores. I think they're still open right now. Or you can buy these and do that while you guys are watching TV, just hanging out. It's okay, bud. Let's get down. Why do that? Cedric, he's never like this. I'm gonna grind your nails. We can do it like that. Yeah, that's better. You don't like a show? No, you don't like being on the camera? And you can just get the edges off. My goodness. Do this one. Okay, these ones I cut earlier, but I didn't end up grinding them. I'm just gonna go. And then I would stop there because you can kind of see the click is right there. Same thing. This one I didn't cut at all. So I'm gonna. It's okay, but good boy, Zendrik. That's good puppy. Yes, that's good boy. So I kind of do 1, 2, 3, and around. And I do that on all the nails. So 1, 2, it's okay. And around. Good enough? Huh? Good enough. What about this one? Can we try that again? Good job. Good job, Benji. Huh? Good boy. There you go. So that's him telling me it's too close. So you can see it's quick right there. It kind of goes a little bit darker in the middle. It's a good way to see it. And then the back ones on the big dogs, I like to put myself kind of in them if your dog allows it. And they don't end up getting too squirmy on you. And you just kind of, it's okay. It's okay. Good boy. You can see just a little white tip there. I'm gonna take that off. Yeah. So this one I didn't cut it either. It's a black nail. If you're looking, it's okay, going too high here. You can kind of feel the little groove if you put your nail in it. That's usually where the quick is. So I know that if I give myself like that much to take off with the nail grinder, I'm safe, because that's where it ends up being, that little groove. I know I'm picking at you, bud. So I'm just gonna do, take as much as I knew I could get off just by feeling it. I can still feel a little groove there. And if you look here, you can almost see a little black dot, but you can't. It's still pretty white and gray. It's okay. And you're almost done. You're almost done. Okay, bud. You want treats? You want a treat? A cookie? Here you go. Here you go. Good boy. Oh, yum, yum. All right, let's try again. Oh, yeah. It's okay. Just a little bit at a time. Some dogs are really ticklish on their toes. But I think it's just because he's at home and he's not comfortable. Okay, let's just show them no light. Turn your bum. Good boy. Turn your bum. There. So, it's flush with that groove. Can you like really look at it? Yeah. Yeah. And that's where I would stop. It's blurry. And then this one is pretty done too because it's right flush with it. Same thing here. It's okay, Zendrick. Okay. And then this one I didn't cut yet. But he grinds it himself when he's walking, so I don't have to take much off of it. And then I got the two other, well, the one last paw to do. We'll still do it? Video? Okay, might as well do all of them. This is how I hold these feet. Because I'm right-handed, I kind of slip behind him and lay it. It's comfortable for him to go. Good boy. It's okay. More tickle. More tickle. Henny, it's okay. Great time for a treat. Show him his face. Good. Oh, okay. Now you can do whatever you want, Mom. Let's do this one. You can see the groove still a little bit. I'm gonna knead it. And go around. There. Woohoo! And one left. But there's no nail there. You lost that one. So we're done. Well done, big boy. It was a good puppy. Take this off. You can run away free. Huh? Good job. Sit down. Good boy. Sit, sit, sit. I'm gonna do your nails. Huh? I know. Your favoriteest thing to do. Good boy. So, yeah, we're gonna give you a little warning of what we're doing. I'm gonna play with your toes for a second. I'm not gonna hold his foot hard. Good boy. It would probably be best if you had someone else to hold the dog, but if you're stuck at home, quarantine just with you and your doggy, you can put him on a leash. Can you come over here? I just grinded his nails not too long ago, so it's gonna be a little bit harder. Find the place that they want to be comfortable. When they're a little bit more frustrated like he is right now, that's when I reach for the treats with still holding the paw. Then I give him the treat while I'm still having his paw in my hand. So then he sees that it's a good thing that I'm holding his paw, and eventually he'll stop. And don't forget that the hold that I'm doing is a really light hold. It's not a pressure hold. And once he stops fighting, then I bring back the foot where I need it to be directed to, so that I can get the nails done. Here. When you see that black spot in between the white and then the black around the white, that's where you want to stop. You don't want to go further than that. So just take a little bit off first. His are right there. You stop there. Usually most dogs are a lot longer than this, and you have to take off a few more layers, but I'm literally just taking off like 1/4 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch, and it's done, because we grind his nails every 2 to 3 weeks. The back ones, he likes to kick like he kind of bucks me. That's just like a natural reaction because he doesn't like me doing them. But if you look at them, stay put. Good boy. They kind of have like a little tiny groove that you can tell they're kind of pointier. Just that little. Good boy. Hold on. Hold on. Stay. Good boy. No fight. Stay there. Good boy. This is what he does. Okay. Hold on. Stay. Go underneath ya. Be careful. No, I'm gonna hurt Mom. No, I won't. Stay. Come on. It's fine. You have to have a lot of patience. And I'm gonna cut it. And a little bit more. No! If that doesn't work, then you can put your knee underneath like this. Stay. Oh my gosh. And flip it over. Woo. And that way I'm just resting his foot in my hand. I'm not yanking on it. I'm not pushing hard. There. It's more comfortable. But I am keeping in place with my knee underneath his tummy and kind of holding him there, so that helps. You can't get upset. You pretty much have to just laugh with him or give him breaks. It's just, whoa. But, good boy. And it's best to do this after exercise. We clearly did not do any exercise before this video. But I wanted him to give me a fight just so I could show you guys. See? Just show us. He eventually stops, and he's not stressed out. But he would be if I got stressed and pissed off, so we don't want to do that. And then these front ones, they're not very long, I know. You can even take a nail filer, especially for the ones who are too scared of the grinder. You don't want to push your luck with them and have them not trust you. Good boy. Come here. Can you sit down? Here. No treats. Good boy. Sit. 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 Good boy. Okay. And then we can just grind it down. Yeah. Wow. You can use one of these too. As you saw here, I let him smell it before I started using it, just to show him what it was. I know, he says, I hate my front paws. Good boy. That's good boy. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Okay, come back. And you use as many treats as you need. But that's it. Yeah? You come on, sit down. Sit down. If they really freak out, then just get them used to the tool that you're going to use and have it around them. And you can even, he still knows I have cookies. Can you sit? You want these? You want these? And then left, except for crumbs. Here, sit down. Nothing in there. Can you have? Good boy. And try again. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Yeah. There you go. That's good job. Huh? Yeah, good boy. Yeah, and you can do a little bit at a time. We have a lot of time right now, so why not? Huh? Say thanks, Fudge. Say thank you. Thanks for watching, guys. And now he's out, snoring away.
He's snoring.